We traveled through Mexico during our Christmas break. And we visited my hometown, the beautiful city of Querétaro, which is located in the heart of Mexico. Due to COVID-19, most of the parks and attractions were closed. But every time I visit, I try to come to this place, La Churreria, a local churro shop. All the churros are made fresh here, and one can order churros filled with chocolate, caramel, and many other delicious flavors. One of my favorites is the churro filled with cajeta, which is a caramel made out of milk, and it is very sweet and delicious. But I also enjoy eating these plain churros with sugar and cinnamon. So today I'm gonna give you my recipe of churros with sourdough discard and chocolate sauce. Pour 340 grams or 1 cup of water in a sauce pot at medium heat. Add 95 grams or 0.4 cups of butter, cut in pieces, and 35 grams or 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix well with a silicone spatula until all the ingredients start to boil, and add 6 grams or 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 grams or half a teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients well and remove the pot from the heat. Now, add 100 grams or a third of a cup of sourdough discard, and stir well to let the discard dissolve in the mixture. This is a good recipe for using all that discard that you might have stored in your fridge. Add 190 grams or 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, and use a wooden spoon to incorporate all the ingredients. Make sure to completely incorporate all the flour until no dry spots of flour remain in the dough. Now, let your dough cool down for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, transfer all the dough to a stand mixer. And add 100 grams or 2 large eggs at room temperature. Mix with a whisk attachment until the eggs are well incorporated in the dough for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can use a hand mixer to mix this dough. Your dough should look like this one. It has to be light, but with a good consistency. Now transfer the dough to a piping bag. Feed it with a large star tip. You can easily bake these churros at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes, and you can create any design you want with the churro dough. But churros are more delicious when you deep fry them. So get your frying station ready and fry your churros for about 2 to 3 minutes per side at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Be very careful as you fry these churros. Remember, safety first, always. You can also create different patterns with your churros. Be creative and come up with your own designs. Once they are completely cooked, remove the churros from the oil and briefly place them on a cooling rack. for about 20 seconds. Then, immediately, roll the churros in a cinnamon sugar mixture. To make this mixture, combine half a cup of sugar with 3 tablespoons of cinnamon. Place all your churros on a plate and enjoy them with a delicious chocolate sauce. To make this sauce, use a saucepan to heat up 230 grams or 1 cup of heavy cream until it boils, and then add it to 170 grams or 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips. I am using dark chocolate chips because those are my favorite, but you can use the ones you prefer. Mix the chocolate and cream until you get a chocolate sauce of a good consistency. You can also add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to this chocolate sauce and a pinch of salt to give it the more authentic flavor of the chocolate from the chocolate churros in Mexico. These churros are very delicious. The addition of sourdough starter makes their flavor very appealing. Enjoy them. I really hope you can try these churros because they are delicious. If you like this video, please click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have a new recipe every week. Thank you for watching.